Hello guys, today's video presentation is to demonstrate how to perform spatial query in QGIS. Spatial queries are queries that have to do with the spatial components of the database, that is the position and the topology of the data. But when we say position and topology, what we mean is its relationship to the other objects around it. Now, when we query its relationship, we want to know whether it is within, it's outside, it's on top, it's beside an object or inside another object. So basically what we are looking at are the spatial attributes. Now we have this utility map in front of us. What this utility map depicts to us is three tariff blocks. We have the high tariff block, which is up here. We have the low tariff block, which is in the middle here, and we have the medium tariff block, which is over here. And we have parcels of residencies and commercial premises inside these different blocks. If you notice here, up here in the high tariff block, we have two parcels, and most of the parcels lie within the low tariff block. Now, the problem statement for this utility company is that 646, 647, 648, 649, 543, and 650 are laying customer dispute complaints on their bills. They complain that their bills are too high since they reside in a low tariff block. Now we're going to use spatial queries to try and to resolve these disputes. There are three things we intend to do with the spatial query. The first thing we intend to do is to be sure of those parcels that are within the low tariff block, be sure of those parcels that are within the high tariff block, then be able to detect whether there are any overlaps within the two blocks. So the first thing we do to carry out a spatial query in QGIS, you come to vector, you choose spatial query, you click on that, and this spatial query dialog box comes out. Select source features from parcels. With parcels we are querying, where the feature, okay, you see we have to come here and change this to the low tariff block, and where the feature intersects the low tariff block. Intersect actually means anything, any way that you have any relationship with low tariff block, it will select you. So let's apply, and there it is. Let's look at what the result is. Beautiful. Every parcel is selected, so they all belong to the low tariff block. So you can see here 646, 647, 648, 649, 543, and 650 that complained are all within a low tariff block. So it seems that they have a justifiable complaint. But in order to be sure, let's go again and do another query to be able to eliminate the fact that they may be overlapping in the high tariff area. That's why they have high tariff bills. So to deselect what we have done before, we come here, we do that. You have to deselect what you've done before you do a new selection. We come back to vector, spatial query, then we come to parcels, and we say that intersect, and we look at high tariff block this time around. We apply, and wow, look at it. 645, 378, 543, and 650 actually intersect with the high tariff block. Meanwhile, 646, 647, 648, and 649 have shown that they have nothing to do with the high tariff block. So in this situation now, we will have to review the bills of these four parcels that are side by side serially, while 543 and 650 we may need to send a ground team in to ascertain whether they have not encroached into the high tariff area. But as for 435 and 37, there's no dispute, they actually lie inside the high tariff area. So we can now close this, we could deselect. That you can see clearly here how we have used our spatial query to be able to resolve that 543 pay at 650 may actually have encroached into the high tariff area, while from 646 to 649 they will have to have their bills reviewed because they have nothing at all to do with the high tariff area. So basically this video demonstration has shown two things. One, how to carry out a spatial query in QGIS. The second thing it has shown is a practical application of how we have used this spatial query to resolve boundary disputes or tariff boundary disputes within a utility company's work process. So thanks for listening, and we'd like to hear from you.